okay? Like, these firework videos are really fun to do. Like, I can't stop. They're like Pringles. It never ends. That's what these firework videos are like. Pringles. They never end. They never do. And they never will. Because I found out the fireworks actually do something. I thought it's just one pop, but no. It does something. And you're going to see it. And I didn't know that. What is taking this... Hold up. What is taking this guy so long? Is he having complications with the fireworks? Is that what is happening? Up! Run away! Run, Indiana Jones!